Hi Dada Saheb Phalke Film Festival and networking participants. I am Vasanth Adithya, the writer and producer of the documentary Cleaning the Courtroom. I am a lawyer by profession and I am the managing partner in Kreetam Law Associates. It's a law firm based out of Bangalore with a decade experience in litigation and other allied work. So as a lawyer, we've been doing a lot of pro bono work. We've been doing a lot of activities on a lot of issues for the society in general. And Cleaning the Courtroom is one such initiative from Kreetam Law Associates where we thought about the drawbacks or the shortcomings in the legal profession and the judiciary as such. And we wanted to ensure that these shortcomings or ailments are remedied or reformed by lawyer fraternity or the common public in general. And as a result of which we produced this documentary and we made this documentary wherein several people who have aired their opinion. We have a lot of people from the judiciary, we have a lot of people from the common walks of life, we've had a lot of activists who have spoken or given their opinion about different aspects of the judiciary and its shortcomings. The important aspect of this documentary is that it not only talks about the shortcomings or drawbacks of the judiciary, but it also proposes judicial reforms in terms of technological interventions or behavioral interventions. This documentary also features very prominent or eminent personalities from the Indian judiciary. We've had ex-Supreme Court judges or the High Court judges, and we've had top-notch officials from the police force, and we've had freedom fighters who've been part of the documentary. We've also had activists who have aired their opinion on different aspects of the judiciary, and they also propose different reformations or different kinds of methods to change the aspect in the judiciary. What we are seeking from the other industry experts are probably we were seeking more funds, we are seeking more expertise in terms of technical aspects, we're also seeking more outreach for the documentary. As a debutant, we've been facing a lot of hurdles in terms of reaching this documentary to the public forum. So from the industry expert, we seek more about outreach and networking in terms of funding, technical aspect, and also distribution from Dada Saheb Phalke networking participants. The project is quite extensive. We've had about 12 hours of recording. We've interviewed a lot of people, and the important aspect of the documentary is we've kept it very basic. We've not had much of screenplay or editing which is involved. We've kept it very natural, we've kept it very candid. We've interviewed people as we talk to them. We've not scripted the entire thing. So the idea which we envisioned is that we wanted to show the reality of how the system is functioning, and it's not about the mockery of the judiciary, but it's about how the judiciary can be reformed and its current state can be altered. So that is the entire aspect of this documentary, where we project about the shortcomings or ailments of the judiciary, and we also propose technological and behavioral changes. So the concept or the idea is something very novice and very new, where we as a lawyer and as a fraternity member, we see how litigants face a lot of difficulties in getting access to justice, which is very difficult in the country where in a country like a democratic country like India, where the ranking is quite in the last part, 121 out of 190 countries. The Justice Report says that India, the access to justice is quite difficult for a common man to get justice in India, and that is the motive, or that is the issue why we film this documentary. And the target audience is anybody who is a common man who's been influenced by the judiciary is the target audience, and we see a lot of support, and we seek for a lot of outreach from the industry experts, and we also look at collaborating with other people in terms of better infrastructure, better technical support. We also seek a lot of help in terms of scripting the future work that we are planning to propose to take it up. Thanks a lot.